Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electronics, where tiny components make a huge difference. We'll be exploring three crucial components in electronics: resistors, inductors, and capacitors, which are fundamental to circuit design. These components are the building blocks of electrical circuits, each playing a unique and vital role in the functionality of devices. Understanding how they work is key to mastering electronics and creating efficient circuits that perform reliably. Let's break them down one by one. Let's start with resistors, the most common component. A resistor's main job is to limit the flow of electric current in a circuit, acting as a control mechanism to manage current levels. Think of it like a speed bump for electricity, slowing it down to manageable levels to prevent damage. Resistors are measured in ohms, and they work by converting some of the electrical energy into heat, dissipating it safely. This is why you often feel resistors getting warm when they're in use. Now let's move on to inductors, another key component. Next up, we have inductors, which are essential for managing current flow. These are usually coils of wire, and they work by storing energy in a magnetic field when current flows through them. Inductors resist changes in the current, which means they help smooth out fluctuations, ensuring a steady flow. If you've ever heard of an inductor being used in a power supply or a radio circuit, this is exactly why. They help keep the current stable and prevent rapid changes. Now let's talk about capacitors, which are incredibly versatile components. Capacitors store electrical energy in an electric field created between two conductive plates. Unlike inductors, capacitors can charge and discharge energy very quickly, making them highly versatile. This makes them perfect for applications like filtering noise from power supplies or storing energy briefly in circuits like cameras or flashlights. Each of these components plays a specific role in circuits, contributing to the overall functionality. Resistors control how much current flows through, inductors resist changes in that flow, and capacitors store and release energy as needed. When used together, they allow engineers to design circuits that can do everything from powering your devices to processing signals, making modern electronics possible. Understanding resistors, inductors, and capacitors is the foundation of learning how electrical circuits work, and is essential for anyone interested in electronics. These components are essential in everything from simple gadgets to complex systems, playing a role in nearly every electronic device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore these components further as you dive into your own electronics projects. Happy tinkering!